Welcome to number 4 of the Mistakes Reviewed series. Now I've got one from 2016 again, and this is from the compilation number 8. So quite a long while ago, as you can see. Well, it's actually from 2017. This is January 2017 actually, my bad. We're in a nice little Essex town, I think it's Roundabouts, and we come across a hazard in this one. There's a hazard right down here. I'm turning left, and let's just play through it and then I can explain it. So I think it might be slightly wrong, yeah, but I do think the other driver is a bit of an idiot. So here we go, there's the cone, there's a broken down car, here comes a van. And this is where I think my mistake is completely counteracted by the complete stupidity of this National Grid driver. Because yeah, okay, if we just go back a bit, you know, you can see that I can spot the car now. I could just carry on going or turn left at this bit because, you know, this is two-way, so that's one way, that's the other way, and it's the same there. So I could have continued on, turn left, but I think we would have had the same issue. Yeah, basically I come along here, the van driver comes, I stop, they continue, and then, you know, I'm just like, well, hold on, you know, when I stop, they can easily peel off there. I mean, they can easily just peel off and then turn right from this road, but they don't, because the driver's a complete dick, or just not looking, or I can't understand it. So then I have to then reverse back onto a main road, as you can see, and this is where it's a mistake on my point, because I should not, I mean, as stupid as a driver has been, I should not have reversed back there, because reversing back onto a main road, you know, even if it is a village main road, it's not a good idea, especially when you're reversing around a corner. I just, you know, as much as I made a bit of a mistake, obviously hindsight says I should have really gone, you know, I could have gone a different route. I didn't have to go this way still. I could have gone that way down to the A127, which is where I wanted to go, rather than going this way up to the, is it Gallows Corner roundabout. You know, I could have done that. I could have just carried on and turned left once I'd seen the hazard, because I had no idea if it was blocked. I mean, I had no idea if it was blocked any further, so I probably, again hindsight, I probably should have gone elsewhere. But from this point up until the point I reverse, it is down to the National Grid driver. Because, I mean, they could have avoided it, they could have made it so much easier, but because they're in a big van, I had a small, I think this was a Peugeot at the time, I had a small Peugeot, they bullied me out the way, and I probably shouldn't have let that happen, but the other part of me is like, well, what's the point? And you just get on with the rest of my day if I just reversed, even if it is a danger to reverse onto a main road. Be interesting to hear your thoughts on this. If you think the National Grid driver was a complete, yeah, or if you think, well, it's probably a bit of both. You know, I think I could have done a lot better on this situation. I'm just looking through it again. Come up to here, put on the indicator, see the issue. Could have gone round, could have got the options were there. To be honest, that sort of split decision, and I probably made the wrong decision at this point, yeah, to carry on. But at this point, National Grid driver makes a stupid decision. No, a completely stupid decision. And then I make a stupid decision again by reversing.